Right, welcome back. Now, another case of police brutality. Now, one report now. Yes, last week we talked about the man for inside Edo State. Not last week.
Yeah.
For inside Edo State, where them beat all because saying get tattoo for him body. Now, this one, now woman, pregnant woman. Now they don't beat for inside Lagos State. They say they attack her for the satellite police divisions for inside Lagos State, and then the police people they take laws into their hands and brutalize one woman with Chika Elekwachi. They say they even strip her naked in the process on top in the night of Sunday, July 19th. And they say because of the beating, she delivered her baby prematurely. Oh. Now, waiting be her offense, resisting arrest. Now, they say after she passed out as a result of the ordeal where she don't go through with the police, so they can hand her over to her family members, where they can rush her to hospital. And now for hospital, now she congas, and the congas induce her, and she come put to bed, but the baby died. Oh. Yeah. Now, according to the woman story, she talks say, as she dey drive, say she suddenly noticed a bus they come behind her. He said the bus come obstruct. You know how you don't they drive, they'll come enter your front. And one of the occupants come out, the points gun towards her, and they shout, say, park, park, park. He said the guy even threatened, say he go shoot if she not park. He said when she discovered, saying her police officers them be, so she can't try to explain to them, say she won't park her car. So that she go enter one shop, go buy something. She begged the one where they put gun on her head, where we wear a black t-shirt, to allow her go inside the shop, make she go buy. Say she get belle, but they not listen to her. He said then the next thing, he called her a selling body person. He said truly, he said she diverse. When the policeman just called her a selling body person. He said she come remind the man, say, I am married with 2 kids. He said, I warned him not to call me a selling body person again. But the policeman decided to drag me down from the car. Even as passerby and friends where I carry from the car, they try to beg him to let me go in all the sin. While they try to scream, they shout for help, say, I not be thief, they tear my trouser. He said she know they put on any underwear. So they strip her completely naked and they start to drag her, saying she must enter their vehicle. At the end of the day, she actually entered the vehicle. Now they say as they reach police station, she can't start to plead with them, say, may they allow her go or give her one cloth, may she tie it, because they don't come out all her body. She said I was begging them so that I feel meet any woman where they nearby, may they give me wrapper. At the end of the day, she come meet one young girl. She can't speak to the young girl in Igbo, tell the young girl say she no be thief. Now then the young girl can give her phone, where she take reach her family, and now from there the guys come and bail her. They say now the state police public relations officer, DSP Kenneth Wolf, who don't talk, say the police people who do this badness, say they don't nap them and they don't do detention, and they could definitely prosecute them according to the law of the force. Police brutality. At this point, what do you feel say they're supposed to do to these officers who brutalize this woman, and at the end of the day she lose her pikin because not be the first time where this thing they happen and we never see any solution?
As a matter of fact, before you even talk about I won't say for the past almost 1 month now, every week we get one case of police say them just beat person unnecessarily for no reason, they arrest, they do this, they do that, and it don't do too much. Yes. Maybe I won't start from the fact, say number one, the government as a whole, they need to actually reorganize the police setting. They need to get them uniform where you say nobody feel fine for inside market, because make I no lie, if I drive for road or waka where police with uniform stop me, I feel no stop. Because nowadays, even armed robbers, they use uniform, they rob. So how I won't take no, say this person a police officer, or na armed robber, or na criminal, where be say go fit harm me. Because I don't know why they go say police now your friend, but nowadays, police now your worst nightmare. You know if you see police when you just walk out, we don't hear different stories.
Which is terribly bad.
People for radio, we don't hear what police do them.
Yes, no.
And just because say they know their rights, and be say they fear escape. So those people when no can know their rights, the citizens where be say they don't know how to go about their own selves. Where say we won't talk about them. Look at this one for instance. Now, person maybe say don't carry belle, reach 8 months, and then all of a sudden pikin just die because of what? Maybe perhaps the police don't drink. I mean, they don't go smoke, because I don't see different cases of where police go drink, smoke, they don't hide, then go begin misbehave just because say yes, they feel say they wear uniform, or because say they get arms where they say the ordinary civilian no get, and it they wrong for me. This officer where they say they don't arrest them, I hope say that I actually don't arrest them. Not be just word of mouth say okay we don't arrest them and then everything go end. Because I follow this story very well and I even hear said the woman being faint for inside the police station when her husband come and then the police then they use and play say stand up my friend, will you stand up from there? Who are you pretending to? Now her husband gas run outside go buy water to pour on top the woman and I feel say they very wrong. Even if you stop person for middle of road and he resist arrest, I get the right to resist arrest if I don't do anything wrong. You know, if you just stop me, won't put handcuff on top of my hand when I don't do anything, or you know, tell me what in say I do. We they condemn the American citizens on that black woman where we said now the same
Sandra Bland,
where we said now the same resist of arrest. Now you don't pay the woman. So at the end of the day, we they condemn say how Oyibo then do this one to black woman, but this is now our own black. So what we want to talk about this one where we say she not do anything. This now woman where so you they tell me say citizen if you just walk off on top road freely. At any time, if I feel prove myself, say, okay, yes, I know be criminal, this is my ID, this is my this, you don't get any reason to stop me or tell me, say, you won't carry me go police station. For what reason? For inside my own country? The government needs to look into and these ones are going to say life imprisonment. So that others go learn from inside. All these ones are 1 year, 2 years. No. Life imprisonment. When others here, if they don't drink high, the thought of waiting go happen if they catch them go actually calm their highness down.
And they really wait, make finally one day, make one person, one policeman, or 10 of them, or how many of them just mistakenly, because I know say right about now, because the kind of people where they actually harass, no be high top individuals, and they wouldn't one day by mistake, may they harass one of these top officials, whether picking or you know, cousin or somehow when they're very close to those officials.
It don't happen before now. I don't see one way it happen.
I won't make it happen.
The boy, at the end of the day, when they find out saying one of all these politicians picking,
now go beg.
That's what they beg. Now the boy give
I don't want this begging.
As in begging.
I don't want begging. I want me to sue them, go court.
You don't forget the one where tell me say I know be graduate, I be illiterate. For
now, here, they do this woman
when we can't reach police station, they call the question. After everything, we come and say na Igbo in don't smoke. You can't begin the beg, and they look and say, so you fit beg. You don't get insults where this man don't give me. You don't get the insults.
Like the insult where they give to someone now, they call her selling body person. I can't imagine why.
Basically, she wear her ring, she dey her car, she dey drive, she get children, she get people for.
But one thing
you still don't call her selling body.
One thing we wanna forget. We said the woman carry people inside the car, right? Where the people dey? Where this whole thing they happen? When they tear the woman clothes.
According to her, she said they try beg, they come outside they beg, but they not listen.
Yeah, so those people run, they know if you reach her family. You understand? I understand.
That's another question.
The only part where I fault the people, we say the woman get belly.
Yeah.
There's no way. Una fit stop her there, make una find solution. Is either bring the women police to come arrest and not be make men
even if
touch
she
woman.
All this
even if she don't get belly.
No, because
now.
See the story now. She carry people for inside car. You understand? When they come overthrow them. Now two-way thing. I don't ever see where two the same cars, one way they front actually commit offense. But when they pursue them, the one way commit the offense for front, nowhere one pass it turn around. Before then go turn to overtake now that second person. And the person said, no be me. For on top of the bridge, the people come they point and say, see person way do not there.
This one feel just
you
be one
understand?
of those cases. And now in the night.
So in the night. So me they say, okay, the people where they I not say what thing the woman do they wrong or right. Again, she must be hormonal because now pregnant
of course.
woman. Nothing you talk, it go trigger her. 8 months pregnant ordinarily. Everything go they irritate her because she don't reach the time where God go. Bless her where she won't drop the baby. Now when I drag this woman till she born. She forcefully she dey into labor and she come born and can't lose the pikin. That means somebody must don't hit her. But my own question be say those people where she carry inside car, where then they? Wetin they do? Nobody get camera to record the thing
or follow
because
her.
we need to know the faces of these people. We don't tire when police go come tell us say they don't. We wear their faces for paper.
For me, I know even
then tomorrow somebody Okada man go just hit somebody for street. They go put them for paper. Then we need to see the face of these people.
You know why they always had them before? Why they always had.
Wait, follow the woman. You know, concern my own issue now with the Nigerian police.
Simple.
Even if the woman no get belly, even if now young person like me be say my body still strong, kakaraka, you no get rights to hit a citizen.
As in, what I just want?
Why not beside
at
thief
least
or I kill
make-
person?
Make them
No.
try catch those people. If not
No
to
way.
sue the whole police force.
No
make their
way.
eye
They're not
open,
fit
say,
You know if you sue the whole
That is the point. You know that
I understand the pain.
Just to say
all of
something,
them.
just say something. The reason why they're not bring out their pictures now to protect their families.
Hello, then my own family will call
No,
that
chill.
happen.
Because these people get families too, not just here in Nigeria, even Obodo Yibo.
Nah,
Because at the end of the day,
Make she talk.
at the end of the day, angry people go the family house, and then the children, the wife, they feel attack them. So that's now why some of these cases that they leave without you seeing.
So
the
if
face.
you know say
So
that
at the
kind
end
thing
of the
go
day,
happen,
you know why
you no
this
respect
no go
yourself?
work? Because at the end of the day, the woman and her family, they know the faces of people with hammer. So if she decides that she want press charges, go court. The she where they directly affected, if she want go their family house, she go still go court. She know their
Send
face.
dogs,
Of course, it's better than leaving it public.
Before you
better
take the
public
oath
better.
where they will give you that uniform, you got to swear, say you go obey the rules and regulations.
regulations.
Putting their faces out there, you still open your face what we see when you dey take
When you
the
take-
oath.
okay.
So I don't care about your family. And first of all, you're supposed to register them. If actually you get family,
Yeah.
what thing you go feel say they do to your family, you go like and do it to
Exactly.
somebody else. Because if you don't get goats for house or cows,
Maybe they
where
need
you
to
keep,
change
where you
their
dey relate,
oath.
then you treat somebody else like human being. But for this woman to lose her child,
In the process.
it's supposed to enter the next level. See,
And our boy,
Nigeria,
where
we
she
don't
don
reach.
dey fine.
Yes, we don't reach the level where we say you got to make outside they call them girl the girl. That's make them open, make
Girl the
everybody
girl.
see.
And it just make me remember one particular case where it involved the Navy. Now the Navy or Army, where they actually beat one politician daughter.
Girl
Now
from Maryland.
Girl, that case were really trend for a very long
Yes,
time. Where they
Maryland
beat her,
beats the
they
girl,
naked
seriously.
her.
Navy
At the end
too,
of the day,
also Maryland, I
oh
don't
my
know.
God, they pay her millions.
Yeah, pay
and
her millions.
Ah, you know rich.
And millions.
No be the money be the
and they even
problem.
arrest the people who do
Because the
badness.
video go
Let me not
viral.
forget them for prison.
So you need to be picking
I'm
a
telling
person
you.
where get name.
Well,
Hey,
now-
that is what they try to talk with
now,
that.
now the way where the country con
no,
where we
but
can
it go
settle
change.
into.
It go change.
When they do am like
but
5
it go
times.
change.
Just to say in America, if now one of those politicians picking 9 be Sandra Bland, you think say the thing for the don't elongate like this? Therefore, don't find those people
Eliminate them too.
immediately and do something about the police force.
That's
Then
Sandra Bland
again,
case the issue it is
it's
very
just
very
annoying.
annoying. You know,
Then
for time
again,
say
for
all
we
the
own
jail,
roads.
all the jail people, all the jail workers, all their what's that they call that their paper where then they write. All their statements
Okay,
they
the reports,
different.
it's different.
Different. This person talk A, another person talk Z, another person talk K, and all of them they work for the same place. So
There
how
is
you take
something
B?
missing. When I did watch one new season, I discovered say a lot of things go on in the prison where we don't know. Some people they even frame them up as in dead and they kill them themselves and then
Yes.
come outside talk say committed suicide.
Yes.
A lot of things.
I
A
know
lot of
person
things.
wait till today since 2001 where because of 3310 Nokia phone they prison till today.
No, I know
never
of those
feel
ones.
that.
33
Those ones plenty.
3310 for K2
this one.
Ojota till today she still there Kirikiri prison. They
can
never even
imagine.
carry a matter go court.
most of
That's
them dey
I
there.
know about the thing.
Can imagine.
She dey stay near my cousin house till today. They say she buys stolen phone, not stolen phone. 3310 till today.
That kind when they will
That's
tell
if she's
say
still there alive.
ignorance is not an excuse.
My sister.
Ah,
And
that
the ones
one
where
they
they
go
see
tag.
billions and zillions from our government reserve, then go come out and they go send a plea
At the end of
bargain
the
and then
day-
go leave them, they work out scot-free.
I'm
God go
telling
judge.
you, really, and they really need to do something about our prison
police.
sector,
And
and
the
also the
Nigerian
police, the
Nigerian
Nigerian
police
The
force.
force
in
in general, thank you. The
like
force in
sometimes they
general,
refuse
both
that
army,
uniform, they enter
navy,
their
police, they need to actually do a whole new retreat and orientation for them.
And I know say that they always tell them say you person need to be armed. Your life needs to don't be threatened before you
Yes,
take the next
yes.
step.
And
I want to say one
Not
thing.
when you not see the person with gun or with any other harmful gadgets and then you start to brutalize the person.
In fact, I would like to say this particular one. I beg,
And I
when I
don't
try
like the fact-
respect on a uniform.
The
Try.
fact say that they use gun, I don't like them. They should suppose they use that taser gun. You know the taser
Yeah,
gun
the
we get
taser too.
current so you
I
go take
know.
tase. Instead of giving them gun that you can somebody could just drink, he say they call gun, just shoot person, die.
I know.
I don't understand.
All right. Tell us what you think about this police brutality and waiting with the way forward. What do we need to do to make sure, say, we police force they change them permanently to satisfy us, the citizen. Enter Twitter at TokTok Wazobia. Enter Facebook TokTok-Wazobia TV. After the break, when we come back, other things are going on top of the show, so not go anywhere.
if you know say, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.